Hey everyone, Amtrak and CSX Railfan here, and we got a train close to like 12 o'clock. I heard him trying to warn us here before before his light appeared in the distance um before his light appeared in the distance. Yup, and it seems to be like Amtrak 48 Lakeshore. It seems like, because he's motoring up fast here. Seems to be slowing for a little bit here, but it's because he's still a little bit far away. But here he comes. I can hear him revving up. Woo! Nice. Awesome. To catch that heritage unit once again, still. I caught in it. That was Amtrak 48 was Heritage 46 on it once again, still. Sorry that wasn't in the lead, but it's a nice unit, and I also caught in it other times too. Was Heritage on this train too, was Heritage, was Amtrak 105 and 10 and Amtrak 104. And there he goes around the bend. Seems like he was led by 94. It was 48 was that Heritage unit trailing behind, led by 94. It seemed like. A nice shaven haircut as well for a friendly crew.